Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn about linear layouts. In Android, a linear layout is a view group that arranges its child views in a single direction, either horizontally or vertically, depending on the orientation you choose. It's one of the most basic and commonly used layout managers for designing user interfaces in Android applications. You can use linear layout to create simple and straightforward UIs with a linear arrangement of elements. To create a linear layout, you only need to specify a linear layout tag. Here I replace the constraint layout with a linear layout. And to specify its orientation, it's very simple. You need to use the orientation attribute and set it to horizontally or vertically displaying modes. I'll use vertical and I'll create another text view here in order to display the usage of this linear layout. I'll set a text size for the first one as 32 SP. Create another text view. And you can see that these text views are arranged in a horizontal direction. Also, if you create another text view or any other views, you can see that all of these widgets that they are included inside this linear layout are arranged vertically in a linear manner. You can set the orientation as horizontal, so you can see these text views are arranged horizontally. Back to vertical. Moreover, you can customize the layout by adjusting the properties of linear layout and its child views, such as layout width, height, margins. For example, the margin 20 dp. I am adding spacing from left, right, top, and bottom for this linear layout. So if you click on this, it will refer for the linear layout. I'm adding spacing from all sides with a value 20 dp. In general, you can use linear layout to create simple and straightforward UIs with a linear arrangement of elements.